Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another weekly update on the Newberg, Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity, ending this past Sunday, July 17th. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through the info with you. So we'll start off looking at active listings. This last week, I show we had 18 properties come on the market here in Newberg. You kind of see where that's been over the past 6 weeks, kind of, very consistent here over this past month. Ended the week at 86 homes on the market, and you can really kind of see the increase. We basically kind of doubled the amount of homes on the market in just about 5 weeks. So, really kind of points to kind of the kind of the slowdown in the market as we've been kind of talking about here over the past month or so. Median list price and the days on market for those active listings, you can see that's been holding steady these past 3 weeks at about 590. And then days on market has been between 17 and 29 days. This last week kind of came in at 22. So, as these newer listings are, continuing to come on the market, it kind of keeps this lower. But definitely seeing a lot more supply than what we've seen in quite some time, and kind of see how that's playing out here in the overall market. So next off, we'll look at pending sales. This last week, I show we had 12 new properties go pending, same as last week, and that's up from the prior weeks before that. Ended the week with 66 homes in pending status. So you can kind of see we were at a high of 89 and it bottomed out at 57 here a couple weeks back, 3 weeks back, and then it's been on the rise the past couple of weeks with some more pending activity. The median price and the days on market for the pendings, you kind of see a increase in the list price, or the median sale price, I should say, about 490 6 weeks ago. Ended at 511 this last week. And then the days on market, you can see that's increased from a low of 6. This last week came in at 13. So, homes that are going pending are staying on the market a little longer than what they were before. And then finally here, we'll look at the sold listing activity. So as of the time I put the info together here, I show we had 4 homes go from pending to sold this last week in Newberg. That is a low, you'll see, for the 6-week period here, and had quite a drop off in the the longer term look here of about 4 weeks. So when I look about 4 weeks back of activity, had 40 sales here in Newberg, and you can kind of see that's quite a drop from the prior week and the high of 62 the week prior to that. And the median sold price and days on market for the sold listings, it's been very steady here over this past month at right at low 500, so 500 to 505,000. And similarly, days on market, that's been very steady too at basically 5, except for this 1 week, it dipped down to 4. And then lastly, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the original list price. And these two graphs or charts here really kind of shows the market slowdown. So we had a low of about 3.5 weeks of inventory here 5 weeks ago, and it's this last week kind of shot up to just under 9 weeks. We haven't seen 9 weeks of inventory in Newberg for quite some time. So it really kind of points to the fact that the market has definitely kind of shifted from a super hot seller's market environment to not calling it a buyer's market by any means yet, but it is approaching something that's certainly more balanced, and still a seller's market, but not nearly as aggressive as it was. And lastly, the sale price as a percent of the list price, you can kind of see that's really kind of dived down here as well. We were at 6 weeks ago about 104% of the list price. Past couple weeks has been closer to list price. So it's not like some homes are selling way below list price or anything like that, but it's the craziness of the extreme buyer's market has definitely worn off, and we're seeing much more much more balance here in Newberg right now in the market. So as we move forward, I would expect this number to probably continue to maybe grow a bit, and this number to probably fall a little bit, but we shall see. So I hope this weekly update has been helpful and informative for you. I certainly would welcome the opportunity to see if my years of experience and local market knowledge could be a great fit for you. So just give me a call at 503-680-2065, and I would be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have about the market, or how these changes might be affecting what you'd like to do. So I really appreciate you watching, and have a great day.